There
How
we
are
go.
you?
Good. How are you, Ariana?
I'm good, मुस्कान जी. आपका तो ग्लैमर बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है. You very fair you are, huh?
Oh, thank you.
So many of them are asking. मुस्कान मेरी जान बोल के एक जने कमेंट भी डाला था. I forgot his name.
Okay.
So can you please tell hi to them actually?
Hi, everybody. Hi. Thanks for joining us.
Yes. कैसे चल रहा है मुस्कान जी आपका टाइम?
बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है मुझे तो अब now I'm kind of settled in this lockdown thing.
Okay. Three
But I'm
things you
feeling when it will be released, then I will be like, oh, again, now normal routine has to be resumed. Like this is a good time to pursue all the hobbies, all your interests, chilling.
Yeah.
Good time for with family. It's a luxury to have such a pastime. नहीं तो कहाँ ऐसा time मिलता है where you don't have anything to do.
मुस्कान जी मैंने आपके सारे वीडियो इंस्टा पे वीडियोस देखे. आपने तो घर का टेरेस भी नहीं छोड़ा यार. बट गुड थॉट एक्चुअली.
वो घर का टेरेस नहीं है, वो
हाँ.
मेरे बिल्डिंग का एक दूसरा टेरेस है, which I am using mainly for workout and all. जहाँ पे if you have seen in my Insta videos, there is that discarded ladder and all that. So all these years ना we disrespected the terrace. We were like पता नहीं क्या जगह क्या है, ऐसे ऐसे करते थे.
हाँ.
अब जब जिम भी नहीं बचा और देखा कि नहीं, this is a useful place. తరువాత जाना शुरू किया उन्होंने.
ఓ మై గాడ్. సో ఇప్పుడు ఒక చిన్న క్వశ్చన్. ఇప్పుడు చాలా మంది అబ్బాయిలు మన లైవ్ చూస్తున్నారు. సో ఇంట్లో మీరు లైక్ ఫిట్నెస్ కి బాగా ఇంపార్టెన్స్ ఇస్తారు కాబట్టి ఒక టిప్ చెప్పండి అబ్బాయిలకి ఇంట్లోనే ఉంటూ టిప్ ఏదైనా ఎక్సర్సైజ్ టిప్ ఏదైనా.
Exercise every day, at least 1 hour, compulsory, and eat healthy.
ओके. आप तो वीगन कहते रहते हो ना?
I am following a vegan lifestyle for the last 15 months now. So it is good. I think everybody should try for once, because number one, it does not put pressure on the natural resources, which as responsible citizens we should think about.
मैडम जी सॉरी टू इंटरप्ट. जस्ट टेल अस इन शॉर्ट वीगन का डाइट मतलब मुझे तो पता है लेकिन some people they don't know like what is vegan. vegan में क्या होता है?
Vegan means no dairy. What does dairy include? Milk, curd, paneer, cheese. No dairy and no non-veg. No meat, no non-veg and no dairy. That is it. So it's a healthy diet, It's a very.
What is the use of the vegan diet? मतलब क्या होता है? Skin glow आता है या muscle strong होता है? What?
It keeps your energy levels high. It improves your what to say. And your energy levels. So like if even when you're working out and also for that, and for health purposes, it is very good. So it for diseases and also these days, so even cancer patients, diabetes patients, everybody is first of all recommended to switch to a vegan diet, because you are not consuming anything that is coming from the animals. You are reducing your system's exposure to something that is not natural to consume. And we are humans; we can grow our own food. So why to kill somebody or in their need?
Nice. Yeah.
And even for milk and curd and all, so if you see, there are so many documentaries on online platforms, Netflix and all. I strongly recommend Game Changers. So in that you will see that food and all, even milk, so animals are literally tortured to meet the demand. It's not like there is demand and there is equal supply. No, now to meet the demand, it is being done. So my little contribution for my body and for the society.
Yeah. సో ముస్కాన్ జీ జార్జ్ మీరు కొద్దిగా తెలుగులో కొద్దిగా మాట్లాడండి మా కోసం. జార్జ్ రెడ్డి మూవీ తర్వాత తెలుగు ఆడియన్స్ మీకు ఎలా అనిపించారు? జార్జ్ రెడ్డి అయిపోయిన తర్వాత డూ యూ మిస్ తెలుగు పీపుల్, హైదరాబాద్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్? డూ యూ రియల్లీ మిస్?
Of course, I love Hyderabad.
Okay.
I just love Hyderabad. I love being there. I was there for George Reddy movie shoot for so many months, and then for the promotions also. So the people are very welcoming. The audience is good. The city has a good vibe.
आप तो अच्छा गाना भी गा लेते हो, तो జార్జ్ రెడ్డి నుండి ఒక మంచి పాట పాడండి. మీరు అప్పుడు ఇంటర్వ్యూకి వచ్చినప్పుడు బాగా పాడారు.
So you want me to sing a song now?
జార్జ్ రెడ్డి వాలా.
Okay. వాడు నడిపే బండి రాయల్ ఎన్ఫీల్డ్, వాడి చూపుల్లో ఉండి చిరా ట్రెండ్, వీధంతా ఇంజన్ సౌండ్, మోగిపోతుండే గుండెలు చిడుగుడు బండు, చెప్పకుండాని అయిపోయా నీ గర్ల్ ఫ్రెండ్. వాడు నడిపే బండి రాయల్ ఎన్ఫీల్డ్, వాడి చూపుల్లో ఉంది చిగురా ట్రెండ్.
వావ్. ముస్కాన్ జీ, అంటే ఇక్కడ సాంగ్ చాలా పెద్ద హిట్. అంటే రూరల్ లో గానీ విలేజెస్ లో గానీ దిస్ సాంగ్ ఇస్ సూपर डुपर हिट. तो डू यू नो दिस सॉन्ग ये बहुत बड़ा हिट हुआ, बल्कि आपको मालूम है इवन इन रूरल एरियाज एंड एवरीवेयर?
Yeah, so Mangli and Sandy, they keep sharing some of the TikToks and all also that they come across. And I have been following on YouTube that it has got a nice number of views. So it's good. We are glad that this song did so well.
Yeah. And now తెలుగు మూవీస్ చూస్తూ ఉంటారా మీరు మామూలుగా? అంటే తెలుగు ఫాలో అవుతుంటారా?
After George Reddy, then my friends recommended some movies and all. So yeah, little I have been watching.
Okay. In short, tell us, మీరు సినిమా ఇండస్ట్రీలోకి ఎందుకు వచ్చారు? Why did you choose this career?
Why did I choose this career?
Yes.
Since childhood, I have this strong inclination towards acting, dancing. So my biggest inspiration in childhood was Madhuri Dixit. She still is. So whenever I used to see her perform, her so many expressions in one single line, and I used to be like, yeah, this is something I want to do. I wanted to be on television, on a big screen. I wanted people to come and see me. And during school and college also, I used to mimic my teachers a lot. Teachers come mimicry. So everybody, my friends, family, chala encourage karte the. So that's why I was like, yeah, let's follow the passion.
Okay. Kareena Kapoor ji ko bhi acha imitate karte na. We'll do it in the last, please. I like that.
No, we won't. We won't do that.
In the last. Just one line in the last, not now. Okay?
No, you'll get me trolled badly. No, you won't do that.
గైస్, మీరు అందరు కంటిన్యూగా కరీనా కపూర్ లాగా ఇమిటేట్ చేయండి అని చెప్పి క్వశ్చన్స్ వేయండి. చాలా బాగా ఇమిటేట్ చేస్తుంది ఆవిడ. కరీనా కపూర్ వచ్చినట్టే ఉంటది ఆవిడ మాట్లాడుతుంటే. Understood?
I think so.
Yeah. Ma'am, so tell me, recently आप कौन सा मूवी देख चुके हो? Which movie you have watched from Telugu and how did you like it?
I like Maharshi of Mahesh Babu. Oh my god, I loved his looks and that. So charming, dashing, coming, and those three friends and all that they have shown, those scenes. It was nice. It's quite a lively movie. I liked it.
Okay. So you like Mahesh Babu sir on screen? कैसे लगते हैं आपको?
He's nice. I have always liked Mahesh Babu. So even when I wasn't really following Telugu movies, but on certain channels, television channels, Telugu movies keep popping up after dubbing and all. So Mahesh Babu and Ram Charan, both of them have been my favorites from the top of Dollywood.
Oh, Ram Charan ji ki movies. Did you watch any movie of Ram Charan sir?
Last I watched was Rangasthalam, and now I'm super excited for RRR. That Bheem look that he has been given. Oh my god. It gave me goosebumps. I'm really looking forward to it.
Ma'am, you have good updates of Tollywood, ma'am. Seriously impressed. अच्छे updates है आपको, like what is happening in all.
Seriously. Thank God.
So, ma'am, like Telugu people has make good following for you. They watch you on TV also. Nowadays, George Reddy movie TV पे आता रहता है, and we will be like tuned in for the song for George
Oh
Reddy.
wow.
So, आपके घर वाले क्या बोलते हैं अगर आप टीवी पे दिखे तो?
They have always been very happy. Like when George Reddy came on Amazon Prime, so my family saw it twice. They were so glad that it's my first film and they're watching me on their home television. So they're happy about it. But there are many more milestones for me that I want to achieve to make them happier and proud of me.
Ma'am, actually, where are you from? कहाँ మీరు ఎక్కడ నుండి వచ్చారు? మీ ప్రాపర్ ఎక్కడ?
UP, Ghaziabad. My parents stay in Ghaziabad.
Oh, okay. So
but I studied from Delhi. My graduation and post graduation, it was from Delhi.
Okay. Somewhere I came to know that you were already working, but films के लिए आपने आपका job छोड़ के आ गया. Is that true?
Yeah, that's right. Just when there was just 1 month left in my job joining, and that was my dream job. I really fought for it, worked hard for it, and then George Reddy was offered to me.
Oh, which job is that?
Then I had to leave. Sorry?
कौन सा job था वो?
Marketing. I joined as a management trainee in Mahindra Automotives.
Okay. So now do you regret or you feel happy that మీరు మంచి choice చేశారు అని చెప్పి?
No, I'm glad. Initially, I did try to manage both, but then being on set made me so happy, and I was like, I think I have to do this. Job and all, okay. That's the normal route. Let's try something off route.
ముస్కాన్ గారు, మీరు తెలుగులో యాక్ట్ చేయబోతున్నా అని తెలిసినప్పుడు మీకు ఫస్ట్ తెలుగు హీరో ఎవరు గుర్తుకొచ్చారు? మీకు ఫస్ట్ తెలుగు హీరో ఎవరు తెలుసు? హూ ఇస్ ద ఫస్ట్ తెలుగు సెలబ్రిటీ యు నో?
Chiranjeevi, Pawan Kalyan.
Chiranjeevi
sir. The first ones. Chiranjeevi. And you know what? Chiranjeevi sir launched our George Reddy movie's song Adugu Adugu.
Okay.
I was like, oh my God, really? Since childhood, जिनको देखा है वो आके मेरी मूवी का सॉन्ग लॉन्च कर रहे हैं. So we were highly grateful to him, and even to Pawan Kalyan sir for letting himself get associated with the movie. That helped us in reach masses.
Okay. Whom you admire a lot from Tollywood, ma'am? कोई हीरो ऐसे है?
Yeah, many are there. I like Allu Arjun. I like Prabhas. Junior NTR. How can he be missed?
Okay.
Even Junior NTR's look is so amazing in RRR. Yeah. That is one of the movies I'm really looking forward to from Tollywood.
RRR पे आपको बहुत ही expectations है ना? Might be you are eagerly waiting, ना?
Definitely. And Rajamouli sir का movie expectation है. So the first movie of Rajamouli that I saw was Bahubali. Then I really liked Prabhas in that. Then I followed other movies of Prabhas, and I got to know that he is the darling of Telugu cinema. And I saw his movies Darling and Mr. Perfect. So it's nice. I like Telugu cinema. It's interesting.
Yeah, so nice, ma'am, to hear that you have like.
I wish I should have started following the movies much more before only. I'm running a little late.
But someone has commented just before, Muskan ji, you will be a superstar. बोल के कोई comment करा था just before.
Oh, how sweet. Thank you so much for your wishes.
Ma'am, now like think ఇప్పుడు నెక్స్ట్ ఒక మూవీ చేయాలి, ఒక హీరోతో చేయాలి, ఒక హీరోతో స్క్రీన్ షేర్ చేసుకోవాలి అంటే మీరు ఎవరితో స్క్రీన్ షేర్ చేయడానికి ఈగర్ గా వెయిట్ చేస్తున్నారు? వీళ్ళతో యాక్ట్ చేయాలి నేను అని.
I think Ram Charan and Allu Arjun.
Okay.
Allu Arjun. Yeah. and Ram Charan.
What do you like in Allu Arjun sir, man? And like, you know, have you watched his movies or what?
Yeah, this recent one I watched. The name is quite complicated, but uska wo song hai na, Ramulo Ramula.
Ala Vaikunta Pathula.
Yeah.
Okay.
I like his style. I like him on screen. I like his dancing. I'm a dancer, so I like actors, male and female both, whoever can dance very well. So I already get an off. I admire that person. Oh my god, they look so good.
Oh, nice, man. And tell us about your favorite hero from Tollywood, no?
You want me to tell about my favorite hero? You know what? I don't have any one favorite in particular. So I admire like these like Allu Arjun. I like Mahesh Babu also. Even Prabhas, Ram Charan, Vijay Devarkonda, and Naga Chaitanya, Junior NTR. So sometimes yeah, in some movies like I like them all. I don't have a favorite anywhere. Even in Bollywood also, I don't really have a favorite, but I admire many.
Okay. You take good things from them.
Yeah.
Okay. So now, ma'am, meeku songs baga vacha. So do you sing good, no? Acha gaate ho, na? I know you sing well when I met you.
I don't sing. You just heard. Bullet song is in this song. This kind of voice works. The folk kind of voice. Yeah, maybe it works. But I don't think if you ask me to sing any other song, I'll be able to pull it off. No.
We'll try. We'll give it a try, ma'am. Just we'll do it in a different way. నేను మీకు టాలీవుడ్ స్టార్స్ నేమ్స్ ఇస్తానండి. మీరు బాలీవుడ్ సాంగ్స్ వాళ్ళకి ఏమంటారు డెడికేట్ చేయండి, లేదా లైక్ యూనో వాళ్ళు ఈ సాంగ్ లో బాగుంటారు అన్నట్టు చెప్పండి.
ఓకే.
समझ में आ गया ना मैम आपको? टॉलीवुड स्टार्स को बॉलीवुड गाने.
Okay, fine. Let's see.
Yeah.
This sounds challenging.
Let's start with Vijay Devarkonda.
Oh, this one is easy. कौन सा गाना है वो? भीगे होठ तेरे प्यासा दिल मेरा.
Have you watched recently World Famous Lover? क्या Imran Hashmi ji?
Yeah, World Famous Lover and even Arjun Reddy.
So that's the reason you gave this song to him for the lip locks and all.
I judged him for the lip locks and I gave him the song. But no, I like Vijay Devarkonda. He's a lovely actor. He has acted so well in Arjun Reddy.
मैम यहाँ पे किसी ने बोला है कि I didn't understand. Oh my God, I don't understand Telugu, but still watch George Reddy. बोलके oh, it's scrolled up actually. There was a comment who don't know Telugu itself, but they still watch George Reddy for you itself.
Thank you so much.
Yes. And next, आपके favorite Allu Arjun ji.
Allu Arjun.
You're thinking. You're thinking.
Of course, I'm not ready with Bollywood songs in my head. It's not that I have a playlist and I'll just immediately tell you, oh, Allu Arjun, this song. Oh, this one, this song. Let's think, okay. Allu Arjun. Dhinka chika, dhinka chika, dhinka chika, dhinka chika, hey, 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 hey.
Oh.
That's a very Allu Arjun kind of song, I feel. He will look nice dancing on this. He must dance on this, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Power Star garu.
Oh, Vaadu Nadipe Bandi Royal Enfield. Bullet song is for Power Star Kalyan only.
Yeah. एक बार भी girls they dream to see Pawan sir like that. Seriously.
Actually, Pawan Kalyan's Jeevan Reddy sir, our director, really wanted Pawan Kalyan sir to play George Reddy. And I suppose even the Telugu audience had been looking forward to see George Reddy's story. from Pawan Kalyan. But anyways, however things turned out. So this song is for Pawan Kalyan sir only.
Then handsome hunk Mahesh Babu garu.
I say okay, this is getting tough for me to just come up with songs. Anyways, I'm not so good with songs. मैं कोई ऐसा गीत गाऊं कि आरज़ू जगाऊं अगर तुम कहो. So this is a 90s song of Shah Rukh Khan, but I think this song is kind of from Mahesh Babu to all his female fan following because he's so good looking and he's like that. अभी मैं कोई ऐसा गीत गाऊं कि आरज़ू जगाऊं अगर तुम कहो.
मैम डार्लिंग प्रभास जी के लिए कौन सा गाना ఏ సాంగ్ డెడికేట్ చేస్తారు ప్రభాస్ గారికి బాలీవుడ్ నుండి?
Some Amitabh Bachchan song will look nice, no?
Because he is tall.
Yeah. Tall, dark, hunk, Bahubali.
मेरे अंगने में कई के पान बनारस वाला.
You're mixing two songs. मेरे अंगने में. It's fun, na? Even when I join 2-3 songs, maybe of Telugu or something, or if I say ulti fulti Telugu, that is why people laugh. It's actually fun to listen. So for Prabhas, with song for Prabhas. Anybody from who is attending this discussion live would like to suggest? Please help me.
Prabhas gariki Bollywood song ఏది సెట్ అవుతుందో ప్లీజ్.
Which Bollywood song suits Prabhas garu?
యా కొద్ది హెల్ప్ చేయండి.
Little help చేయండి please.
ये लोग पूछ रहे हैं कि जाट रेड्डी का डायलॉग चाहिए. सलमान खान सॉन्ग फॉर प्रभास जलवा.
Jalwa. Which song is Jalwa?
That song is there, na ma'am. Jalwa ta 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 something. Hai ye Jalwa something.
Fashion. नहीं वो तो अलग है. That is different.
वो fashion है. हाँ हाँ.
हाँ. For Naga Chaitanya, I just remembered this song and I think it perfectly suits Naga Chaitanya. हम from Naga Chaitanya to all his female fan following. हम दिल दे चुके सनम समंथा के हो चुके हैं हम तेरी कसम. It's a heartbreaking song for all his female fans that he belongs only to Samantha.
Yeah.
I don't know if that makes sense.
Why am I telling yeah? Samantha जी क्या सोचेंगे? महेश बाबू सर के लिए गाना बोल दो ना. महेश सर के लिए.
महेश सर के लिए I'm thinking of a really nice song like that should do justice to my admiration for Mahesh Babu, but I really can't think of that good song right now. Maybe some Shah Rukh Khan song, you know, that romantic hero.
दुनिया भुला के.
दुनिया भुला के?
Something that काजल वाला गाना है ना मैम. she will wear a
Oh no, that song, the other one. सूरज हुआ मध्यम चांद ढलने लगा आसमां ये है क्यों पिघलने लगा. Okay, I'm not a singer. You can't make me sing so many songs.
No. One last one. I'll sing the song. You dedicate this song to any Tollywood hero of your favorite. I seriously want to know. देखा है तेरी आँखों को. That Gana is my favorite.
Sing.
That old Gana, ma'am. You got it, no?
No. Sing little bit more.
देखा है तेरी आँखों को चाहा है तेरी यादों को. Got it, na ma'am? That coffee shop wala.
Junior NTR.
Huh?
Yeah. I actually like this Ada of Junior NTR. You know?
Style. I wish you act with Junior NTR garu, ma'am, because you also like dancing na Muskanji. So
yeah. We'll make a good on-screen.
Yeah, exactly. Or एक गाना which you want to dedicate to any one hero या heroine from Tollywood. दो गाने actually. सास गाली देवे, that one, and सजना जीवारी वारी जहाँ हो जीवा, that one also.
Sajna Jivari Vari Jaunji. That I think I'll dedicate to Samantha.
Oh.
I like her and Naga Chaitanya's couple. How they are such an oil couple. And the other one you said Sasural Ke Andar Phool. हाँ कहाँ बैठेगा ये ससुराल के अंदर किस पे बैठेगा?
We'll skip this. I will imagine you only in this song.
For me, Sasural ke andar phool. I'm not even married.
No, only for movies. Now, if you'll get married, me fans andar hattaipotaru meeru pelli ayipote.
Okay.
Please ask her about Sandeep Garu. They're asking. Third time I am asking.
Okay, what do you want to know about Sandeep?
Question మీరు అంత లోపల టైప్ చేయండి. Ma'am, now you know here comes the difficult task from Manastars to all the
more difficult.
No, it's not difficult. It's damn easy. Sitting at home and talking and singing, it makes our job easy.
Okay.
You know, now what we'll do, Bollywood stars को Tollywood गाने dedicate करेंगे. 3 enough. 3, only 3.
Okay.
क्या दिल में क्या चल रहा है आपका? You're scolding me, not dead inside.
No. I'm glad that I'm being given such interesting tasks. I hope I don't disappoint my Insta fam.
No. मैंने आपको पता है, just ask, hey Muskan, how are you? It's been long time.
How are you? It's been long time. Okay, I'm good. Thanks. Really long time.
And yeah. शाहरुख खान जी को कौन सा तेलुगु गाना do you want to dedicate?
Sid Sriram ka song, that romantic one. I like Sid Sriram's Are Re Manasa. I listened to that song so many times, and even that Inkem Kale.
Okay. और अक्षय कुमार जी and रणवीर सिंह.
अक्षय कुमार जी तो Rowdy Baby. Rowdy Baby. And for Ranveer Singh, C.T. Mar.
Okay, Allu Arjun ji का song.
C.T. Mar.
Yeah, nice.
3 done. So, you can ask me more.
No, yeah, I won't trouble you. I won't trouble you anymore.
My heartbeat had already stopped. Okay, it's recovering now. It's fine.
Ma'am, यहाँ पे सारे questions आ रहे हैं. What is your Telugu project and what is your next movie? Yes, this question has been repeated so many times. So, can you please tell us about your next project and everything?
Next project you'll get to know soon. Whenever is the right time. Right now it is not the right time to tell. So yeah.
So अभी मेरे इनका time निकल చెప్తానంటారా మెల్లగా?
Sorry?
थोड़ी like after some time you will reveal about your next
yeah
project.
When we complete the shoot and all. I'm a little these things, you know. I don't like really discussing or talking about my project until unless it's at least in the post-production.
Okay, ma'am. The most fascinating thing about acting?
I get to be different characters. So you know what? When I was Chinna, then I used to enjoy playing these games, doctor, teacher, and all that a lot. I used to like playing these games. So it used to give me a thrill, to be a teacher, to be a lawyer, to be a doctor. So I think the most fascinating thing about acting is that you get to play different occupations, different characters, and that's the fun part. I am somebody who I am not.
So have you spending time like how your days going on? आप late नींद से उठ रहे हो या daily life has changed, daily routine has changed?
No, daily routine has improved. I am a early morning person. So here my travel time is safe. So I'm using my travel time that I used to spend like 2-3 hours traveling a day. Now I am getting to read more. I am getting to watch more movies. And I'm helping my mom in cooking. I like baking. I baked like 2 cakes also recently. And what else am I doing? Working out. Playing. So I'm getting so much time to spend with my pets. I have a small kitten and a dog. So it's nice. And I stay away from my family. I stay in Mumbai. And my family stays here in Ghaziabad where I am right now. So it's nice, to just have the luxury of pastime. To just sit with my parents and my brother and do nothing.
I have seen your mom's video, ma'am. She won't look like మీ మమ్మీ లాగా అనిపించట్లేదు. తను మీ ఎల్డర్ సిస్టర్ లాగా అనిపిస్తుంది. ప్లీజ్ ఇది కన్వే చేయండి.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
Elder sister still sounds good. I got comments. She looks like your younger sister. Like fine. I need to do something to myself to make her look at least not look at least elder sister to her.
Ma'am, can you please read the comments and answer them? Which director
you want to work with? So many are there, but just one of the directors which I really aspire to work with is Rajamouli. So,
ma'am, आपके pets के name?
My cat is called Pooh. If you have seen that movie Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum of Karan Johar, so in that Kareena Kapoor's character, again Kareena Kapoor comes into picture. So Kareena Kapoor's character is called Pooh. Yeah. So I have named my cat after her character, Pooh. Yeah, and my dog is called Snoopy.
Yeah.
Not again.
He's done. Oh,
yeah. Sing bullet song. Not again. Tollywood favorite actor. We are done. About Nanni.
मैम मुस्कान जी आपके बारे में एक सीक्रेट बोलो ना जो अब तक आपने रिवील नहीं किया हुआ है जो ड्यूरिंग जॉर्ज रेड्डी शूट टेल अस वन इंसिडेंट जो किसी को भी नहीं मालूम है
क्या इंसिडेंट नहीं मालूम होगा किसी को okay so when we were shooting for Bullet song so there was we were shooting a montage जहाँ पे Na cycle and Sandy's bike they come and they cross each other like this but when action happened some miscommunication happened and we collided like this. So Sridevi, the girl who played my best friend, she was sitting behind me and she fell down. And I was laughing and we were all laughing and all. What happened? And then suddenly we realized, oh, something serious has happened. So I think that incident number one was. And everything it doesn't sound funny to you, but it was funny at that time.
Oh, okay. Ma'am, tell us some beauty tips for girls, no? Those who are watching here for the glowing skin, for detox. Please, anything can you suggest during this quarantine?
Yeah, this is a great time to work on your skin and hair. Some tips. Keep your skin moisturized always. Try using organic products that are chemical free. And
what do you do for your skin?
I do this only. I just try to keep it moisturized always. I avoid keeping it dry. And I keep moisturizing it, 3-4 times. I make sure that I apply sunscreen 2 times a day, even if I'm sitting inside my house.
Okay. Nice. And ఫైనల్ గా మీరు కరీనా కపూర్ గారిలా ఇమిటేట్ చేస్తే మనం ఈ లైవ్ ఎండ్ చేసేద్దాం ప్లీజ్
You'll get me killed by Kareena Kapoor if she finds out that I have been mimicking her on Instagram live in front of such a big audience.
No, sorry ma'am, please. I'm a fan of you, after that. And actually I'm a fan of you while watching Bullet Train.
How sweet of you, Ariana. That's a lot to say. Okay. It's Kareena Kapoor. Okay, so should I brief when this happened? So a little bit. So while I was shooting for Veer the Wedding, at that time, when Kareena and Sonam, they were sitting behind the monitor, and I was sitting behind them. So Kareena is like, she's scrolling her Instagram, and she wasn't at Instagram at that time. So whatever, she's scrolling. I'm sorry, Kareena, if you're seeing this. I don't mean to offend you. It's just an impulse to mimic. Take it lightly. So she was scrolling her Instagram and she's like, Sonam, look at this. She's put on so much weight. Oh my god. You think she's pregnant? Why do people hide pregnancies? I don't understand, y'all. What is it to hide? Yeah, that's it. Okay.
That handbag wala also, please.
That was Sonam Kapoor. Then Sonam. So in continuation of this, then Sonam is like, yeah, Bebo. Whatever. Bebo, look at this bag. No, what do you think? How does this bag look like? And Bebo's like, yeah. Any other color? And Sonam is like, yeah, there's a cherry, but I like it. What do you think? How much? Then Bebo is like, how much is it for? Then Sonam was like, it's for 60,000 only. Oh yeah, pretty fine. Black looks good.
Thank you, Ji. Sorry for troubling you, but you're so sweet. And ma'am, like, what's the first thing you will do after lockdown? कहाँ पे जाएंगे? क्या करेंगे? ఏం చేస్తారు మీరు lockdown అయిపోయిన వెంటనే?
Oh, there's so much to do. First thing that I'll do, I'll fly to Mumbai. I'll settle my house. I'll water my plants. I'm really scared for my plants in Mumbai. There's nobody to take care of them, and I hope some miracle happens and they don't die. And yeah, I'll go to my gym. I'll feel my bars again, my calisthenics bars, and I'll resume shooting for what I was. So
yeah. And anything for people, those who are commenting and those who got connected to this live? Anything for them? Do you want to say?
Thank you so much for all your love and support. And thanks for connecting with us today. She will write Bullet. Hi. Okay. She will write Bullet. Never do live. Okay, whatever. Thank you so much, everybody.
Yeah. And thank you so much, Muskan ji. అడిగిన వెంటనే మీరు లైవ్ అంటే ఓకే అని అన్నారు. Thank you so much. So sweet of you.
Thank you so much, Ariana. Thanks for having me. You're such a sweet person. It's always lovely talking to you.
Thank you, ma'am. And stay safe and be happy. For when you're coming back to Hyderabad, tell me, we'll plan to meet you, ma'am.
Definitely. And to all those who are connected here and to Ariana, stay home, stay safe, and make the best of your quarantine time. This is a golden period we might not get ever again in our life. For generations to come, maybe.
Yeah. Thank you, Ji. Always love you for the way you are, and you are so nice. Always you'll reply me. You'll be like so sweet of you, Ji.
Thank you, Ariana. Take care.
Yes.
Bye. Bye, everyone.